In my last attempt, I tried to fix my Crackling Airpods Pro by cleaning them. I managed to reduce the crackling by taping the microphones, but eventually, I ended up buying new AirPods. Later, I found information about a recall for AirPods Pro due to issues. AirPods manufactured before October 2020 are subject to a recall due to audio problems. They have experienced crackling, and the noise cancellation function has not been working properly. Apple will service these faulty headphones, either the left, right, or both. The service is free. Although it is not mentioned here, it's important to note that the headphones cannot be repaired, they are simply replaced. This recall is valid for 3 years from the purchase date. It also ends by the end of 2023, although it is not explicitly stated here. I had 3 weeks left before the recall expired. There were 3 options. You could search for an authorized service provider, take the headphones to an authorized service provider, or call Apple. By choosing the call option, you can schedule a date and time for Apple to call you. As a caller, I booked a call, and Apple called me on Monday. I provided the requested information, and the next morning, a courier came to pick up the headphones at my door. The following day, the headphones were repaired, meaning they were replaced with new ones, and the courier delivered them to my door the next day. Interestingly, the courier took them to a pickup point without stopping at my door, falsely claiming that I wasn't home, so I got the headphones the next day. Before shipping, the headphones need to be cleaned, and the rubber ear tips are removed, as they will otherwise be discarded. Either one of the headphones or both can be replaced, and the original case is retained. In my case, both headphones were replaced, and they even added new rubber ear tips to both headphones. This was good because one of the rubber ear tips broke when I removed them. Now, the headphones work well. Thanks for watching.